Hey guys, welcome back to another one, and this is going to be another quick how-to video, and this is simply how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance.us to my Trezor suite. And this is mostly applicable to people in the US who can't use the regular Binance. So we have Binance.us and also people who haven't seen the Trezor suite all too often. I know there's not too many videos on YouTube about it, and I think it's helpful for if you're in either one of those two categories. So first, we'll have you log into your Binance.us account, and then this is my wallet. I have it on the privacy mode, so I know I'm going to withdraw my Bitcoin, and I'll hit this withdraw button. Bear with me while it loads. All right, so this is the screen where I'm going to withdraw my Bitcoin from. So this is where I need to be on one half. And now I'm going to move over to the Trezor suite where it says connect your Trezor. I just plugged it into the USB, and now I have to enter my PIN. It's verifying the PIN. And now I am in, and once again I do have the privacy mode on. So now in my dashboard, I want to go down to Bitcoin, which brings me to my Bitcoin wallet within the Trezor suite, and I am going to hit receive. So I'm going to hit the show full address. I'll copy it, and then I will come back. So bear with me 1 second. Alright, so I just got my address, I just copied it. Now I'm going to go back to Binance. And from here, I'm going to enter my address. I know I want to withdraw the maximum amount that I currently have. There is a little transaction fee, which is okay. And I'm going to hit submit. Actually, you have to hit maximum. So I'm going to withdraw the maximum amount, and then I'm going to hit. And then a confirmation has been sent to my email. So once again, I'll pause this video. I'll go over to my email, and I will press confirm. I'm going to take the privacy mode off just for a second to make sure everything did transfer. And I'll come back to this video. So now I'm back, privacy mode's engaged again. And it's just that simple to transfer Bitcoin from Binance.us over to the Trezor suite. In this instance, it was my Bitcoin wallet address. And it's very easy. If you guys have any questions about the Trezor suite, like I said, I know there's not that many videos out there. Feel free to let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time.